Hey everyone, it's Anson here from Weekend Garage. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the battery on the GLS 550. This is a 2018. If the jump starting or charging is not working, it's time to open up the battery for replacement or direct jump. What you want to do first is move your front seat all the way up and tilted, which we have already done so to save time. Just that button right there, the door controls. Lift it up and forward, max it out. Next up, what you need to do is go in the rear passenger seat. You see this cover, just pull up. There's 4 tabs, as you can see. Put that somewhere safe. And next up, there's this part. You can release it, but that'll be stuck. So in order to make it easier, you can use some cutters or X-Acto knife just to make an incision right along here on the 2 sides. There's already pre-cut marks for you to trim off just for the service. It's pre-cut in the carpet itself, so it makes it easier. So you lift this up, there's a connector here, push down and pull out like so. Put that somewhere safe. What you want to do is grab this, tilt it to the right like so. Now we put this somewhere safe, and as we have disconnected this earlier, now slide it out and out of the way. And now you have full access to the battery. So from here, we have full access to the battery. What we're going to do is disconnect the negative or positive in there. And then we can disconnect the battery tray holders. There's 2 bolts down there. One on the left and one on the right behind there, which holds the battery down. Once you do so, you can fold the battery up and pull it out here and then drop the new one in. That's how you guys change the battery on a GLS 550 2018. Let me know if you have any questions, because sometimes direct jump starting, it's not going to work. We got multiple chargers. We've even jumped over the truck over there. No luck. So let me know if you guys got any questions. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful day.